Usually I don't eat anything for breakfast, but today since I worked out, I'm gonna make a quick snack. I'm just gonna have some yogurt with some collagen in it, and I'm gonna put some blueberries, banana, and finish it off with some hemp seeds and cinnamon. All right, this is what we're having for brunch. Every day you'll see is pretty much a variation of the same thing. Some sort of egg sandwich with some bacon, tomatoes, and some cucumber. So this is what it is today. For dinner today, we have leftovers from Family Eats. So my friend Peter started making and delivering beef patties during the first lockdown in 2020, and he's still doing it, which I'm so happy. I had been getting them all throughout the lockdown. They are so good. They are the flakiest beef patties I've ever had. And this week I also ordered the chicken pot pie, which was amazing. So luckily tonight we have that for dinner, so we don't have to make anything. If you're in Toronto, I would highly recommend you try them. I'll put a link to his Instagram in the description below, and there'll be some details there of how you can order. So this is breakfast today, very similar. This is pretty much what I have every day. It's an egg sandwich with some hummus, fried egg, bacon, tomato, and it's on homemade fresh bread though. And I did include the recipe that I follow, which is kind of a bit of a mix of two different recipes in a past vlog. So I'll link that below if you guys are interested in how to make your own bread. I am super freaking starving. I probably should have had a snack. I probably will have a snack. I think I'm gonna have some almonds because I'm gonna get hangry if I don't eat anything before dinner. I do have to wash the dishes before I get started cooking, but I think for dinner today, I'm gonna make a corn egg drop soup. It's this really tasty soup I like that you can get at Asian restaurants. I like to add some mushroom in there and also some meat. Last time I added ground chicken. This time we have ground pork, so I'm going to use that. And to make it a bit more of a meal, I'm going to cook some noodles to make it a bit like a noodle soup thing. Kind of random, but that's what I have in my fridge. So we'll see how it goes. These are really good. They're olive oil and sea salt almonds. A little on the salty side, but I'm kind of a hoe for salt. So I like them. These are the best things ever. So good. Pretzel crisps. This is the everything flavor. It's like an everything bagel. So good. This is just a hack to get a dinner. Like it's not good. I just made it a thing. I ate too much. It's Wednesday. I had my tea. I'm not really gonna film the what I eat today just because I'm having exactly the same thing I had yesterday. I made a bunch of that egg drop soup, so I'm gonna eat it again for lunch. And then we're gonna have the chicken and the potatoes and some greens again for dinner. And that's the point of cooking more at one time so that you don't have to cook every day. I'll see you tomorrow when I cook something new. This morning I'm having Bengal spiced tea instead of caffeine because my stomach hurts a bit from midweek munchies last night. Ate a lot of crap last night and late into the night, which kind of makes me hungrier the next morning. So I'm not gonna wait till lunch to eat. I'm actually just making some boiled eggs because Ezra eats raw food and Roman forgot to take out more frozen meat to defrost last night, so he didn't have like a full meal this morning. So I'm making him an egg, and then we're just also gonna eat a boiled egg, and hopefully that makes my stomach feel better. Just finished a workout. Usually we have UberEats once a week, and it's usually on Fridays, and it's usually sushi. But we do it obviously just to have the convenience of ordering once a week. And today we didn't really plan what we're gonna make, so we got UberEats today instead. We got Alwyn's today, which is like a Caribbean Jamaican food. We got the jerk pork, and then we also got the oxtail. Roman already ate, and he said it was okay. It was on BOGO, so you know how BOGO is. Maybe would have preferred sushi, but it was decently cheap, and this is what's gonna be for dinner today. The pork is dry, which was the one that was BOGO, but the oxtail is really good. So I just realized I didn't record what I ate for lunch, but it was another leftover meal. We still had some jerk pork left over from last night, and we just mixed it up with some eggs, and that's what we had for lunch. Since our Uber Eats order yesterday was subpar, we are going to order Uber Eats again, and today we're gonna get sushi. It's 3:40 p.m. and I am feeling a bit peckish, so I'm gonna make some oatmeal. Even though I like to make it look pretty when I eat it, I really just like to mix everything together. It's become a sludge now. Your oatmeal's ready.
Ooh. Ooh.
For dinner tonight, we did a sushi haul from Uber Eats. Which is what we should have ordered yesterday. We got shrimp tempura. We always get these premium salmon sets, which come with a bunch of amazing, delicious stuff. And then we got these two like special rolls that have a lot of good shit in them. I don't like remember exactly what in this very moment. And then we got the right stuff to enjoy the sushi on another level. And then we got the dog just staring at you, waiting to be fed some sushi. Okay, cheers, dear.
Cheers.
My hands are feeling
Like this is
shy.
not what I see, but this is what I see.
Okay, this is supposed to be more colorful because it's supposed to be red pepper, but we only had yellow, so it's looking really sunny. It's good. The pineapple's just good. It's the last day of my what I eat in a week, and we have a fucking feast ahead of us. Let's march, let's march, let's march, let's march, let's march. Let's march, let's march, let's march.
You're gonna do the whole thing?
March.
Okay.
Until we march. It's
Okay,
gonna
no,
go
I
on
wanna hear
until
you do
we
the whole thing.
march. You're not gonna be able to fold that, you.
Fuck, I
You're
did it again.
literally not gonna be able to fold that.
I did it again.
You have to fill it while it's folded. That's the trick, dear. That was a good mix. The pineapple with the shrimp, slaw, avocado. This is a good one. We could sell this shit. This is so good.